Hello friends, how are you? Welcome you all in my channel. So friends, we will see the in this program even and odd program. So friends, this is a very easy process. So you can very easily to find the even and odd number. So friends, let's get started. So friends, I'm going to take the input from the user, and you can say the fix the input also. I'm going to the fix the input. So I'm going to the uh, 58, okay, and I'm going to the move the direct on the condition. So I'm going to the giving the num, and I'm going to the AND operator. So here is a AND operator is working as a bitwise operator. So friends, bitwise operator is you know the very well, and after then I'm going to the give the is equals to match 1. So friends, when it will be matched the is equals to 1, so it will be odd. So friends, you can see the here the giving the error because, and here is the cannot convert into the boolean. Okay, so we should give here the in the bracket. So when I will give the in the bracket, so it will be remove, so it can remove, and I'm going to the print. So this number is odd. Okay friends, and after then we will give the in the else part. This number is even. Okay friends, so you can see the, and I'm going to the run this program. After then you can see the result here. So this number is even. So you can see the even, yes, because this is even. So we can change the number here. So 57. I'm going to run again the program. You can see the result is here. So you can see the friends is giving the odd number. So friends, latest uh this is a latest way to find the even and odd program. So friends, move on the second one steps. You can also find the even and odd. So friends, give the even if, and after then we will write the num and given the variable, and after then you will write the modulus, and after that is equals to 2 is equals to 0. If remainder it will be 0, so it will be even number, and remainder it will be not 0, it will be even. Okay friends, so I'm going to the give here the same condition, copy and paste. This one is else part friends. So friends, you can see the here, if here it will be it may be here, you can, I'm going to giving the easy numbers. So it will be 2, 12, and 12 it will be divisible by 2, and it's here is a given the modulus. So you know the modulus is a given the remainder. So remainder it will be 0. So friends, it will be when it will be 0 come, after then friends it will be even number, and also is here. So you can see the, yeah, you can find the, I'm going to the run it. So you can see the result is here. 12 is a even number because this one is also condition is running, and this one is also. Okay friends, you can see, you can change the number, so you can easily to see the results. Yes, you can see the friends here the this number is odd number. So friends, if you have any issues and a problem, so you can comment in this comment box. I hope you like this video. So thanks for this watching video. I will move to the next and we will meet to you next video with the next topic. Thanks for this watching video.